Hello, this is how to make an origami parrot. Now, if you want to make this parrot, you have to use square paper, just like I have here. It does not matter if it's big or small. Make sure it's not too small because it's not going to turn out well. And use any square paper. You can use printer paper and fold it diagonally, then fold this end, blah blah blah. So with the square, you can get it from Michael's or any other art store like Hobby Lobby. Yeah. So how you begin is first have the colored side up if you want a colored parrot, and fold it diagonally in half. And crease it, and make sure you can crease it as hard as you can. Use your nails or something. Now unfold it and do it the other way. Let's see. There. Folding it. Now use anything to make it more creased. You can fold it both ways. I just use my fingernails. After that, flip it over. Take one corner, and there should be a cross in the center. Make it go all the way to the center. Now unfold it. And this time we're going to make a diagonal fold. So take it and place it right on this line. Just like that. Now unfold it, and there's two things that you should realize. That the diagonal fold is line A. The horizontal fold is line B. Now you match line A, the tip of line A, onto line B, and it should match up and practically be right below the center cross. See on there, line A and line B, they're both matching, and yeah. So after that, take this corner and bring it all the way down. Just like so. Now unfold it. Now take this corner and bring it down, just like that, diagonally. And crease. Do the same on the other side. And your origami should look like this right now. Now, you should realize that there is creases like a V, right there, going up here and up there. Only the first layer is creased like that. Crease the second layer like that. And push it together. Like this. Now unfold it, not all the way though, and flip it over where the white is showing, and you should fold this up until it meets the very top of your origami. Hold on. Okay, now from here, take your finger put it in here and then grab it and pull it while you rotate it so it goes like that on both sides. Now take this piece and flip it up, just like that. Flip it over, take this corner, flatten it like here, if you see right there. So before, after, I guess. And flatten it, just like that. Now, you take this point and fold it down on there. Same on the other side. Now take those points you just folded and open this up like that and put it in there so it doesn't show on either side. The same here, and you can move on. Take this corner and fold it onto here diagonally. Same on the other side. Fold it diagonally. Now, if you are familiar with this, you would know it as the rabbit ear. Now take this part and keep flattening it until the very point at the top. Now put this and flatten it. Just go like that and flatten it. Same. Well, basically pick it up and do that on the other side. Now here's a squash fold. Put your finger inside this. Make sure these are held down, so put your finger in there and make it do that, and it should flatten down against that. Hold on. All origami artists messed up, and I just messed up right then. Okay, so it should look like this with a little flap right there and a little point right there. Yeah, it's like Little Red Riding Hood with like a plane with a spike on the front, I guess. Now, there is a point right here. You fold it right up. Right there. This folds onto there. Just like that. It should look like a bird's beak or something. Now unfold it. And then this is a squash fold, I think. Put your finger in there and flatten it until this point, this newly made point, is against this right there. And wait until I flattened it out, and it should look like this. Okay, so it looks like a mouth. Now from here, take this corner and fold it onto this line right in the center, the white line. Do the same on the other side, and bring this whole flap and fold it flat. It should look like this right there.